Good morning, students. This is Amran. Today we are going to cover the poem, the ball poem, and I will teach you explanation line by line. So first, let us read the stanza. Stanza first. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? I saw it go, merrily bouncing down the street and then merrily over. There it is in the water. So just in the video, you have understood that this chapter expresses our real experience. In our lives, ups and downs it comes, but how to overcome it? How to we stand up against it? So this poem is expressing the responsibility of our life, the reality of the truth of our life. So let's start this. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? In this first stanza, we will study line by line explanation, word by word explanation, hard word meaning, and literary device that is called figure of speech. So, what is the boy now who has lost his ball? Before starting the poem, I told you that in this chapter there was a boy who had lost his ball, and after losing his ball, he totally upset. And meanwhile, a poet comes, and poet wants to know that. Let us see what does the boy do now. So that's why he stopped there. He does not intrude him, and he stopped there and he watched the boy. So here, look here. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is the boy? The boy who I lost just now, I told you this in the first stanza. The poet expresses there was a boy who had lost his ball, and he was totally upset. But what he to do? The poet wants to know that. Let us see what will he do now. Having lost his ball, what's the reaction of the boy? The poet wants to know it. Poet ये जानना चाहता है कि देखो चलो देखते हैं कि उस बॉल का रिएक्शन क्या है. जैसे यहाँ पर वो अपना बॉल खो देता है और अब जो पोएट होता है जा रहा होता है, he stopped there and he wanted to know what is the reaction of the boy. उस लड़की का रिएक्शन क्या होता है. So I saw it go. I means the poet. Who is the poet? John Berryman. The poet saw it go. It means it symbolized the ball. The poet saw that where the ball goes. वो देखता है कि बॉल कहाँ पे जाता है. Merely bouncing down the street. Merely bouncing. Merely means जैसा cheerful. Bouncing means jumping up and down. The poet saw the ball goes down the street. Go down is in the water. The poet होता है वो बॉल को देखता है कि बॉल खुशी पूर्वक वह स्ट्रीट में चला जाता है. And merrily over, there it is in the water. खुशी वह वहां से होते थे वो वाटर में चला जाता है. It means that here the poet describes in this line the poet saw the ball is moving towards the street in the water. It's a merrily. I like that here in this stanza there are 4 poetic device has been used. Literary device. Now you can say there's figure of speech. What is figure of speech? I hope you have read in class 9. And if you don't read, so I will tell you. Literary device means figure of speech. Figure of speech. What is figure of speech? It's a decorative words. So that's here anaphora. what's anaphora? When a word is used of repeating 2 lines or more lines, that is called anaphora. अन्य अनाफोरा वो होता है जो एक ही वर्ड से स्टार्ट कोई वर्ड लाइन होती है और उसी वर्ड से सेकेंड भी शुरू हो जाती है. सो नाउ यू कैन से दिया व्हाट इज द बॉय, व्हाट. सो इफ यू आर आस्क्ड व्हिच पोएटिक डिवाइस इज यूज्ड इन द स्टेंजा, you can say without reason what is a repeated. So here anaphora. Next, assonance. What's the assonance? Assonance means repetition of vowel. When we repeat in the line vowel, here the repeated use of vowel o. Look here, boy, now, who, lost. Now we are seeing the idea. यानी जब किसी वावेल की, नॉट कॉन्सोनेंट, वावेल की उसी लाइन में रिपीटेशन बार बार होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड assonance. एंड थर्ड, imaginary. The poet imagined this line merely bouncing down the street. वो इमेज कर रहा है कि उसका बॉल कहाँ पे गया होगा. एंड लास्ट वन इज रिपीटेशन. देखो रिपीटेशन क्या है, व्हाट, यानी जब एक वर्ड को रिपीट किया जाता है कई बार तो वहां पे रिपीटेशन होती है. लेकिन रिपीटेशन ऑफ लेटर इज कॉल्ड एलिट्रेशन. नेवर फॉरगेट इट. जब किसी लेटर की रिपीट होती है इन द लाइन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एलिट्रेशन. जब वर्ड की रिपीटेशन होती है तो रिपीटेशन. और जब एक ही वर्ड एक या 2 बार लाइन शुरू होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अनाफोरा. सो क्लियर? दैट्स इट. लेट्स स्टार्ट सेकेंड स्टेंजा.